Past history has its importance, but that doesn't mean that in each and every case you take whatever is there in the past history. If it has left some sequelae behind, that after this infection of tuberculosis I have been sick, or I have had this, or after this pneumonia, Materia Medica right now, never well since pneumonia, then you need to take that, and that is important. This will only tell you his miasm, what it was in the past, and maybe it will tell you about your miasm at present. But it is not going to help you in prescribing of the remedy. Okay, as the remedy is not, it's not going to help you. During the acute crisis, when he came to me, following were his symptoms: stool increased frequency to about 10 times a day, along with blood, mucus, and cramping pain in the whole body, not only in the abdomen but also in the body. The blood was dark, but sometimes there would be spraying of blood, that is frank spraying of blood, which would be bright red in color. And there was continuous mild pain in the lower abdomen. There was tremendous weakness, and he lost about 4 kgs of weight in this acute crisis. As I told you, my assistant was treating him for 3 years with on and off temporary good results, but again he would always revert back. And when it became very severe, she sent him to me. His appetite was poor, but he craved warm food even during the acute state. This is his mentals and life situation. Patient lives with his wife, 2 children, his parents, and 1 sister. Since childhood, he has been born and brought up in Mumbai only. He is the middle child of the 3 siblings. He studied till high school, not a very educated person. When you look at him in the video also, you will come to know that he is not very educated, and he was average in his studies. Initially, he was in his own business for 2 years. He started his own business. His father had his business and he started his own business, but he did not succeed. He did not succeed and he failed in that business. So he had to close it down. He had to shut down. So that was one of the stress which he had. And then later on he joined his father's business back. Business is not doing well. So he has lots of business tensions and lots of worries about the business. So one of the tensions and worries which he had was business was not doing well. Financially there was some problems. He denies that at home. He says no, there is no stress with his family. At home he denies any stress, says the atmosphere at home is very good. He is staying with his wife, children, and 1 sister and his parents. So there is no stress at home. Basically his nature is, he is very, very angry. He is very angry by nature. Slightest things can make him angry. Smallest things can make him angry. At work he has to suppress his anger, but at home he gets to get it out. So what he does is, even the anger which he has at work with the people, with his work colleagues or with his business people or his customers, whatever anger is there, he suppresses that. There he is not able to speak out, or he cannot speak out. He is forced to keep it inside, and then he comes and removes it on his people who are at home, on his family. He gets irritated at small things and he speaks out his anger on whoever it is. He remembers that for a long time. When he gets angry, he can't forget it easily. He remembers that for a long, long time, at least for 2 or 3 days, and then later on he will forget. Sometimes he will not forget for a long, long time, for a long, long time he will remember that. During the interview about his anger, I asked him that, I inquired furthermore, and he said he's very angry. Okay, I said, tell me more about your anger. And my assistant had already given me a background about this patient, that sir, he will not tell you, but I am going to tell you this about the patient so that it will be easier for you to prescribe. This patient in anger even beats his wife. He used to even beat his wife at home, but he says he will not tell you, so I am going to tell you this in advance. So she had already told me. So I tried to probe indirectly, as I told you, every patient lies. So I knew he was going to lie about this. He's not going to tell me. So when he started to tell me about the anger, I knew about this, but indirectly I still probed more. So when I probed more deeply, he said that his anger is only when things are not done according to his wish, or if they are not kept in proper places, if things are not, he gave me an example that even a newspaper, for very small things, you know, even for very small things he gets angry. Even a newspaper which is supposed to be fold करके ऐसा यहाँ जहाँ पे जगह पे रखना है वहाँ अगर नहीं है तो he gets angry. Even if a newspaper is not kept in its place, and what is his reaction? थोड़ा ऐसा इरिटेट होता है, ऐसा नहीं, ए क्यों यहाँ रखा है, चलो बराबर करो, ऐसा नहीं, ये क्या है, व्हाट इज दिस, ऐसा पेपर क्यों है, अभी कभी करो इसको ठीक, ऐसा रखते हैं क्या, कितनी बार बोला है. So even for a small thing he gets very angry and he starts screaming, and he would insist on his wife that even in the household duties, you know, then I interviewed his wife. Usually, you know, when a person doesn't tell you about himself, you can always find out from the life partner, okay. But now this here you cannot apply to saas and bahu, huh? Because कभी भी वो सही बात तो मालूम ही नहीं पड़ेगा. सास को अगर लेके अंदर लेके पूछो तो पूरा बहू के सत्यानाश वाट लगा देगी वो, और बहू को लेके पूछो तो दुनिया भर की सास की हालत खराब. खुद की सास तो गई लेकिन दूसरे सास को भी नहीं छोड़ेगी. So it doesn't work with that, but it does definitely works with husband and wife or with children and, you know, parents when you ask them to go out or you interview them alone. So I had interviewed the wife alone, you know, and she had told me all those things also. So the wife said that he would get so angry and he would start shouting and screaming. And he says the worst part about this man is that once he comes home, she said, मैं उनके आने के पहले सब काम करके रख देती हूँ. मतलब क्यों? ताकि आराम से वाइफ हस्बैंड के साथ बैठ के अच्छे से चाय बाई पिए, खाना बना खा सके. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. उनके सामने अगर कोई काम किया ना तो उसमें भी वो किचन में भी आके बोलेंगे ऐसा क्यों कर रही है, इसको ऐसा कर, इसको ऐसा कर, ये चपाती ऐसा क्यों बना रही है, ये चावल ऐसे क्यों रखे है, ये इधर ऐसा क्यों किया, ये यहाँ गंदा क्यों पड़ा है. He will start telling about everything, even the things that the wife does in the kitchen. You know, he will come and interfere, and he will tell her to do it. He will tell her to do it the way he wants her to do. He will tell her to do the things the way he wants to do. Okay, so even in the household duties, he will tell her what to do, how to do it. And if by chance if he comes home and the food is not ready, then to khatam ho gaya, tufan aa jayega. Even when they go to somebody's house, you know, just as a social call to visit, किसी के घर पे जाना है, चलो 9 बजे तक उनके घर में जाएंगे, तो कोई प्राइम मिनिस्टर से अपॉइंटमेंट तो है नहीं ना कि एग्जैक्टली 9 o'clock शार्प वहां पहुंचना चाहिए. 9, 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट कुछ आगे पीछे हो गया. और इंडिया में तो एज यू नो 9 बोलेंगे तो 9:15 को तो आदमी घर से निकलेगा, है ना. तो एवरीबडी अंडरस्टैंड्स दिस, बट दिस फेलो नहीं. 9 बजे बोला है माने 9 बजे पहुंचना ही चाहिए. 9 बजे कैसे भी करके पहुंचना, इवन इफ दे हैव टू गो सम प्लेस और समबडीज हाउस और सम वेडिंग. उसकी वाइफ ने मेरे को अच्छा बोला, सर हमने कितनी शादियों में जाके लड़का लड़की के माँ बाप को हमने रिसीव किया है, क्योंकि वो पत्रिका में जो टाइम रहता है ना, हम तो उस टाइम के पहले ही पहुंच जाते हैं, और वो लड़के के माँ बाप भी वहां नहीं रहते, लड़की के माँ बाप भी वहां नहीं रहते हैं. बोले कितनी बार हमने उनको जाके रिसीव किया है. सो ही इज सो स्टिकलर अबाउट हिज टाइम. व्हाट इज द रूब्रिक? वेरी सिंपल, वेरी इजी, fastidious, बहुत सिंपल है एकदम, वेरी गुड. One thing the patient did not tell me at all, in spite of asking him many times, was that he used to beat his wife. As I told you, my assistant had already told me. Even I would have not known this if my assistant would have not already told me. And then later on, when I interviewed the wife alone, and then I asked her specifically, she was not ready to tell me this because she was afraid of him. But when I asked her, I told her that I know already the assistant doctor who was treating before has already told me about this, because she was a female, so she had already, you know, she had opened up to her, but it was not with me. So I told her, and then she said yes. So he said he would beat his wife when he was angry. My assistant has already informed me about this aspect of his nature. And he is not very emotional and sensitive. Nothing affects him very much, and he has never cried in his life. He has never cried in his life. अभी सुनना हिस्ट्री में क्या बोलता है वो. How this what I am telling you it will be, how what this is what I am telling you and what he says in the history, how it will be different. He is very adamant in his decisions, very very stubborn. Once he takes a decision, nobody can change him. Very dominating dictatorial in his behavior. Once he makes up his mind, nobody can change a decision, no matter what the consequences. Even if it is going to harm him, even the decision what he has taken is not right and is going to, cause problem for him, he is not going to change that. He does not like to go out much. In his free time, he only watches news. No liking even for music. Now this should be something which everybody likes. Nowadays तो हर सब लोग के कान में लगा रहता है ना. किधर भी जाओ, रास्ते में, ट्रेन में, बस में, चलते हुए किधर भी जाओ, सबका लगा हुआ रहता है. And the worst thing about this thing stuck in there is that if you are walking on the, because of this, half the time I have stopped walking on the streets. Because if you are walking, somebody is coming in front of you, and you start smiling at him, and you think, oh, he is somebody known to you, and he is, वो आ रहा है सामने से आपके साथ बात करते आ रहा है और साइड से निकल जाता है आपको देखे बिना. और फिर अपन क्या हुआ, अरे वो बोल रहा था ना, बात कर रहा था कुछ, एंड देन यू सी दैट वायर फिर लटक के दिखता है, तो मालूम पड़ता है वो अंदर कान में लगा के ही इज टॉकिंग ऑन द मोबाइल फोन विद समबडी, एंड वो आदमी चल के सामने से आता है, ऐसा लगता है अपने साथ बात कर रहा है. So you also start, smiling at him and nodding your head, thinking that it is somebody who knows you, and then he makes a fool out of you. And half the time they are listening to the music, and you don't know the youngsters whether they are walking or dancing or something in between. They are doing that on the streets. वो नहीं पता चलता है. So everybody nowadays likes. किसी को भी पूछो history में. So as I told you, certain things which I said, what is there in the history, say what is not there in the history becomes important for me. If somebody says I like music, मैं उसको इतना बिल्कुल importance नहीं देता हूँ, unless it is very very characteristic. But somebody says does not like music, then it starts, my bulb starts blinking, tube lights हो जाता है मेरा. So he has no liking for music. So basically you get what is the kind of personality you are getting from the history. थोड़ा सा idea आ रहा है? Very good. On observation, and the patient not talking much. Obviously, this kind of a person, you don't expect him to be very talkative, not even ready to answer questions in detail. You will see even in the history. Now when he's already cured, and I'm still asking him in the history to tell him about a nature, and you know what he will say, you will see. He was sitting with folded hands and a very serious face. And history given by wife is, he interfered with the wife's housework. Even the domestic small things he used to interfere, tell him how to do, and he wanted things in the way he wanted and at the time when he wanted it. Okay.